Today we have a System 6 soundboard with originally from a laser ball set up on my desk bench. We have the 3 connections to my center tap transformer, into my variable variac, and then a speaker. The volume control is simply a short, and then we have a command select in terms of that jumper. So now we're going to power on the board, and we can hit the sounds by blipping these command lines. And so forth. So these are all the various sounds. I think more sounds can be made by grounding these various combinations, but it shows that the board is working. Oh, and also we can initiate the self test.